guys, I thought I was filming this whole time, but welcome back. Make sure you subscribe. We're at the fair. We're seeing all the animals right now.
Is it a horse?
Look! There's another one. So cute.
Sister does.
I want one.
This is so pretty. There's her view. I want to pet them, but they're like so scared.
I know. I feel like they're gonna bite me. The horse is so cute. Yeah.
They're giant. Look at the fluffy one.
I would pet it, but it's gonna bite my
I
face.
definitely wouldn't pet.
Look how big some of them are. Like what? That's crazy. Oh. You trying to fight? You trying to fight? What's your name? Oh my god. They're hamster. Okay, guinea pigs. Oh my god. Bunnies.
No, this one's me.
Bunnies.
I don't know if you pet it, but this one likes being petted. No, it's mean and ugly.
John, did you pet the horse? Guys, look at the guinea pigs. They're honestly so cute. Okay. That's a lot one. Look at the two dogs. Okay. Come on. What? Oh. They were just rolling.
Wait, can we pet that?
Guys, look at the pigs.
Look at the baby cow.
They look so tired. They're just cuddling. I just watched a cow take a dump. They're just cuddling.
I like those browns.
Oh, they're washed. Where?
Oh, they're in there. Oh.
Look at that cow.
Everyone's not even cute.
Oh my god. This feels nice. This feels nice.
Like the tail could just whack you. And then you'd be like, ah.
That's so cute. Where's the cow? That's where is it? I'm gonna find it.
Oh, yeah,
Where? Dude, that's so cute.
That's so ugly, bro. Those are so freaking ugly. I think she just shoved it out the way. I couldn't be too scared to do that. I'd go. Not petting them. Look, it's sponges.
This is a big guy. This is a big boy.
That's so cute.
And it goes, oh. I think so. He kind of looks like a Chad.
Oh, I think it's that one. That has red eyes.
Yeah, no.
This is so baby. This is so baby.
It says, Moose, please don't touch. It says, please do not touch some, because it gets scared. It says, do not touch that one. That one's mean.
I was playing this one yesterday.
They're so cute.
I love this one. Look at his little ears. The bunny, he had red eyes. He had red eyes, but then when he got older, they turned blue.
That's scary.
They turned baby blue.
Oh, I like that one. Look at this one. This one's so big. It looks like a dog.
I like this one.
The bunnies are so cute. I like Moose. He's a chill one, but it says please do not touch, so that's us. Honestly. What is that? Is that a bunny? It's a bunny. Oh, it's a bunny giveaway. It's a giveaway. It's a giveaway. Oh my god, it's a chicken, just like Zeb. I've had 12 chickens. They should know that I had 12 chickens. I played these games. Oh my god, there's an egg. Bark, 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 bark.
I think the white one is cute.
I like the...
It's gonna nibble on you.
That's Benjamin.
Benjamin?
His name's Benjamin.
I like the baby one.
Yep.
Oh, the baby one over there.
They're a little over a week old.
Over a week old.
Yep, they're a week old Monday.
It's just a baby. Oh, there's a... I didn't even see the brown one.
Believe it or not, that one's standing up in the corner.
Yeah.
He's only 2 months old. This one's almost a month older.
Oh,
He just
that
come
one?
out like a tank piece of huge.
That one's cute.
He was rejected by his mom, so he's a bottle baby. So
Oh.
he's spoiled rotten.
Look at it. Look at the babies. Look at the babies.
Why is this one separated?
Because he's trying to do the nasty with the babies.
Oh,
So I don't want him hurting them, so he got moved over here.
yeah.
Because at home, he's not in the same pen. We have two separate pens, so he's separated from them.
Oh,
So he was just jumping on him and everything, so
yeah.
he's in timeout. Which he don't care. He's getting food, he's getting attention. I don't want this pen and this pen.
Yeah.
What?
They're all boys in each other.
They do. They think one's going to get more food than the other. They're all food motivated.
How many guys are in that one?
3, 6. 4, no, 5. 4 goats. No, 5 goats. And a sheep.
Oh,
Sheep with the bottle baby too, so he's spoiled out and thinks he's up.
Hola, Macio.
oh,
You got no head
it's putting its head in
You got
there.
no head start.
I'm gonna go see the horse. Hello.
No, the other one needs to love and attention too. Oh, there's a cow. Let's go make this face. I'll try to find it and then move his head away.
The horses are my favorite. Baby cow. Is this open?
I'm worried about.
Last year she did better than you. You almost passed out.
I know,
She's
I know.
still standing. Carson's plugging his.
There's people over there.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It was hotter last year though. There's Finale.
She likes the big ones. Yeah.
It's okay. It's